In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Private Internet Access VPN app not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge, maybe your app can't switch to a new VPN location, or maybe it is too slow, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to get started, we need to access this Private Internet Access VPN app information page. To do that, just long press on your app, that is the shortcut method, and you should see app info, or if you can't see app info option, you should see a settings gear that looks like this. But here on this pop-up, or even the name of the app, tap on any of this to access the app info page. Alternatively, you can also access this through settings. In the first attempt, we are going to clear the app data, and you can see the clear data option is here. And for that, if I go to storage, you can see breakdown of data stored by this Private Internet Access VPN app. Of importance is this cache data, and here it is. I currently have 3.1 MBs. This is one of the reasons your app is malfunctioning. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your VPN collects to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. Fix this, go to clear data down below here, and then choose clear cache. And finally, okay. And now you can see we have 0 cache files because they have been cleared. From here, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and now your app should be working without any issue. But should you still have challenges, then you need to come back to app info, and this time around clear all data here, and now open your app. But should this fail, then you need to access your app through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone, and get to update your app if we have any update. So for my case, I'm on Android, and this is the app in Google Play Store. However, I don't have any update. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version of the app that is supported, and also fix issues that might be associated with your app. In most cases, this should fix your problem and everything should be okay. But in some cases, you might find that the app still crashes. For that, if it opens and closes instantly, then you'll need to uninstall the app totally and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.